ready to unlock awesome Fortnite skins and gear without using your credit card. Then let's dive into how to use your Paysafe card. First, launch Fortnite on your preferred device. Whether it's your PC, console, or mobile, then navigate to the Bucks section. Usually, you can find this by clicking on your profile icon and then selecting Bucks, or by going to the item shop. Now you'll see different Bucks packages available for purchase. Choose the amount you want. Remember to check if it aligns with the value on your Paysafe card. When you proceed to checkout, you'll see various payment methods. Scroll through the options until you find Paysafe card selected. If you don't see it, make sure your region supports Paysafe card payments in Fortnite. A new window will pop up asking for your Paysafe card PIN. This is the 16-digit code located on the back of your card. Carefully enter the PIN. After entering your PIN, follow the on-screen instructions to complete the payment. You might need to confirm the transaction with your Paysafe account. If you have one linked, once confirmed, your Bucks will be instantly added to your Fortnite account. And that's it. You can now use your newly acquired Bucks to purchase awesome skins, emotes, battle passes, and more from the item shop. Enjoy your Fortnite adventures.